I don't know what the fuck's in here, but there's something scary. This can of beans that we've been saving that I took a picture of months ago. That fucking has a copyright date of, hold on, we're going to make sure.
1975.
1975. You can barely see it. I'm going to be quiet for a minute so you could hear.
Let's talk about who was alive back then.
Nixon was the fucking president. Now hold on.
Jeez.
Listen to the sound.
Do you think that can of beans predates Watergate?
Shh. People need to know that there's something living in here. And I'm going to check it.